What's up, guys? Say 228. Let's check the weight. 228 pounds. It is what it is. Let's eat some food. It's currently 11:21. Postponed breakfast for quite a bit. Just was not hungry. So I got a peanut butter and jelly level 1 bar. This is their best flavor. Straight up tastes like a candy bar. It doesn't even taste like a protein bar. I'll probably have like 2 or 3 dates. It should be around 110 calories. So in total, this meal should be around 300, 400 calories. Here's how a protein bar looks. Super nice. Currently 213. Cooked up some ramen. It's looking delicious. Got 2 packets of Indomie ramen. Should be around 800 calories. Whole bunch of carbs and a lot of salt. Around like 4 or 5. I had some chest, triceps, and delts. Past week, I haven't really been going to the gym. I've just been grinding homework, just doing a bunch of stuff. I got 3 weeks of the semester left. It's currently 4 o'clock. Got some oatmeal here. Someone in the comments gave me a good idea. Eat some oatmeal, get some good carbs in. Healthy too. It's 160 calories per packet. So 320 calories for 2 packets. I'm gonna cook it up, eat it, and go to the gym in like 30 to like 40 minutes. And also take some L-citrulline too. About to go hit the gym, get some grapefruit juice, and some L-citrulline right here. Currently 6 o'clock, just got done with push day. Feeling pretty good. After all these months, doing the left side chest pose is still hard for me to hit. And I can't get it to look as good as my right side chest pose. My left side tricep pose, I feel like that looks way better than my right side tricep pose. Back low bicep to 1. Currently 7:30. Got the next meal here, and it's a pretty hefty meal. It's a lot of food. I've got about 500 grams of white rice, around 200 grams of cooked chicken thighs, and I cut them up in super small pieces. And I got a whole bunch of zucchini and some hot sauce too. This should be around like 1,300 calories. It's a lot of food. I use like 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and also got these low sugar gummies, Joyride. They're delicious. Can't even tell that they're low sugar. Had an amazing workout. I haven't hit chest in such a long time. Just kind of bombarded with schoolwork. It is what it is.